Today's lecture topic is volatile oil and utilization of aromatic plants. We will discuss in this class. First one, introduction about this, advantage of aromatic plants, and we will discuss also some aromatic plants and volatile oils and utilization of aromatic plants and derived products. So first we know what is the aromatic plants and volatile oils. Aromatic plants can be defined as the plants which possess odoriferous oil in either of their organs or sometimes even in the whole plant. The commonly used terms associated with aromatic plants include herbs, spices, and essential oils. Volatile oils or essential oil or ethereal oil is, as their names the implies, are volatile in steam. It means it evaporates at room temperature. Room temperature means 25 degrees Celsius. It is the easily evaporated and diffused one place to another place. They differ essentially in both chemical and physical properties from fixed oil, with the exception of oil, such oil of bitter almonds, which are produced by the hydrolysis of glycosides. These oils are contained largely as such in part of the plant. They are secreted in oil cells, in secretion duct or cavities, in the granular hairs. They are frequently associated with other substances such as gums and resins and themselves tend to residify on exposure to air and its value. Production and uses of volatile oils. Large quantities of volatile oils are produced annually as examples for lemon oil, eucalyptus oil, clove leaf oil, and peppermint oils. World production annually runs into the several thousand metric tons of each. Although the production of major oils is highly organized, a number of developing countries have volatile oil-rich flora, not fully utilized or cultivated, and the United Nations Industrial Development Organization has taken a step into inform on the setting up of rural-based small-scale essential oil industries. India and China now produce large quantities of volatile oils for export. These volatile oils are utilized in so many areas like perfumery, soap industries, perfuming industry, insecticide, and so many other areas are available where you utilize the volatile oil. Volatile oil needs is increasing day by day. Recently, there has been a shift in universal trend from synthetic to herbal medicine, which we can say return to nature. Medicinal plants have been known for millennia and are highly esteemed all over the world as a resource of therapeutic agent for the prevention of disease and ailments. India and China are two of the largest countries in Asia which have the richest traditional system of medicines such as Ayurveda, Siddha, traditional Chinese medicines, etc. that uses a large number of medicinal and aromatic plants. Production and usage of volatile oils. Large quantities of volatile oils are produced annually, as example for lemon oil, eucalyptus oil, clove leaf oil, and peppermint oil. World production annually run into the several thousands metric tons each. The export of medicinal plants and herbs from India has been quite substantial for the last few years. India has a large endemic flora. There are more than 80,000 medicinal plants known and nearly 180 plants derived chemical compounds have been developed as a modern pharmaceuticals which are included in the Pharmacopoeia of India. India's export of essential oil during last few years has shown the erratic trend. The sandalwood oil shares is more than 50% in the total exports. The United States accounted for major share of exports of this. Advantage of aromatic plants are volatile oil also. Volatile oils are used for their therapeutic action for flavoring. For example, oil of lemon, oil of orange. In perfumery, oil of rose, or as starting material for the synthesis of other compounds. For example, oil of turpentine. For therapeutic purpose, they are administered as the inhalation. Example, eucalyptus oil, orally peppermint oil, as gargles and mouthwashes. Example, thymol. The transdermally, many essential oils include those of lavender, rosemary, and bergamot are employed in the practice of aromatherapy. Prominent among the aroma-bearing plants are lavender, rose, clarices, peppermint, and geranium oil. The essential oil derived from these plants from the backbone of perfumery. Cosmetic industries. These oils rank among the top 10 essential oil used in aromatherapy throughout the world. The next one, utilization of aromatic plants and derived product. Aromatic plants are plants that possess aromatic compounds, most of which are essential oil, which are volatile in room temperature. Room temperature normally is known as the 25 degrees Celsius. These compounds are synthesized and stored in a special structure called glands, which is located in different parts of plant such as leaves, flower, fruits, seed, bark, and root. The so many flowers available like lavender, rose contain volatile oils in flower sac, leaves like cinnamon, fruits, coriander, seeds, and other part of the plants they stored. These essential oil can be extracted by the various physical and chemical processes such as steam distillation, maceration, expression, inflorescence, and solvent extraction. They are mainly used as flavors and fragrance. How many and so many are available from the ancient times. These plants have been used as a raw material for cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, botanicals, pesticides, etc. Importance of aromatic plants as raw material for essential oil extractions, as spices, as herbs, as miscellaneous. We are using air fresheners, pesticide, insect repellents, and perfumery also. We will discuss the composition of volatile oils. The volatile oils are generally mixture of hydrocarbons and oxygenated compounds derived from these hydrocarbons in some oils. Example, oil of turpentine. The hydrocarbons predominate and only limited amount of oxygenated constituents are present. In other example of clove, the bulk of oil consists of oxygenated compounds. The odor and taste of volatile oils is mainly determined by the oxygenated constituents, which are to same extent suitable and soluble in water. Note, orange flower, water, rose water, etc. but more soluble in alcohol, like we use tincture and essence of lemon. Many oils are terpenoids in origin. A smaller number, such as those of cinnamon and clove, contain principally aromatics like benzene, derivatives mixture with the turpentine. A few compounds like thymol, carbachol are through aromatic in structure and terpenoids in origin. One important soil like eucalyptus soil we are going to discuss. The biological source of eucalyptus. It, it is the wild volatile oil obtained by steam distillation from fresh leaves, Eucalyptus globulus or Eucalyptus alba and Eucalyptus species. The eucalyptus is belonging to the family Myrtaceae. It should contain not less than 65% of cineol, and the total amount of oil is present is calculated at 2%. It is indigenous and available in India. The indigenous to Australia and Tasmania. It is cultivated in United States, California, Spain, Portugal, and in India. The order of is aromatic and camphoraceous. It is odorless or pale liquids having pungent and camphorous taste, followed by the sensation of cold. It is soluble in 90% alcohol, fixed oil, fats, and in paraffin. It is the main ingredients of balms, liquid balms, and so many fragrances available in the market as a deo. Eucalyptus oil simply contains cineol, also known as eucalyptol. It also contains pinene, camphene, and traces of phellandrine, citronellol, gallotannins, methyl ester of para-coumaric acid, and cinnamic acid in combined form. Utilization of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is used in various purposes. Eucalyptus oil is used as counter irritant, as antiseptic, and expectorant. Diaphoretic. If mixed with an equal amount of olive oil, it is useful as rubefacient for rheumatism. It is used to relieve cough and in chronic bronchitis in the form of inhalation. Solution of eucalyptus oil is used as nasal drop. It is used in infections of upper respiratory tract, malaria, and certain skin disease, in ointments for burn and as mosquito repellents. Also used in hair nourishment, cold and flu, hand wash, antibacterial, anti-tuberculosis. Also used for arthritis and skin ulcer, stimulating immune responses. Also important in dental health, respiratory problem, nasal health care. Also useful in sinus and allergies. Next one is geraniol oil. Geraniol oil, the biological source of geraniol oil is obtained from steam distillation of fresh leaves and stem of plants, Pelargonium graveolens, family Geraniaceae. It is indigenous to South Africa and cultivated in Algeria, Morocco, Spain, France, and Italy. Indian geranium oil obtained from other species and is known Palma rosa. Palma rosa. It is the Palma rosa oil like the rose fragrance. All varieties of geranium generally contain 0.08% to 0.4% of fragrant volatile oil. Geranium oil contains two types of constituents, i.e. alcohol and esters. The alcohol are beta-citronellol and geraniol, about 60% to 70% of the oil. Geranium oil is used as flavoring agent for creams, lotion, soap, perfumes, and other products. It is also used in alcoholic, non-alcoholic beverage, candies, and other dairy products at the concentration of 0.001%. The oil is used in treatment of inflammation with its mild soothing effect. The oil is good insecticides. It's repel the maximum insects, especially in the cockroaches and mosquitoes. It is a stimulant of adrenal cortex and can be used to balance the production of androgen which occurs during the menopause. Having a good antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties also enhance the circulation, which reduce the stress due to the balancing of blood pressure and reduction of in blood pressure reduce stress, reduce blood pressure, pain, and boost the immune system. Boost the immune system. One most important volatile oil is sandalwood oils. The biological source, sandalwood oil, is obtained by distillation of dried hardwood from the plant of Centenar album, Linn, family Sandalaceae. The sandalwood tree is available in India, especially Tamil Nadu, Mysore, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. The sandalwood oil is yellowish and pale reddish viscous liquid. It has a strong fragrance. Taste is slightly bitter. The chemical constituents of sandalwood oil is it contains mixture of two isomers alpha and beta centanol approximately 90%, alpha and beta centalene, centalone, centanone, isovaraldehydes, alpha and beta centalic acid. The sandalwood oil is mainly used in various perfuming agents, in various cosmetic preparations, and incense sticks. It is used for wound and blister caused by smallpox, vaccination, gonorrhea, cough, and dysuria. Sandalwood oil is, along with neem oil, is used as a contraceptive. Sandalwood oil, along with double quantity of mustard oil, used for treatment of pimples on the nose. So this is the total complete of volatile oils and aromatic plants. These lectures are prepared with the help of various books and materials from CSIR. These materials are available in various platforms. We can learn by this about the volatile oils, production, utilization, and usage of volatile oils. Thank you.